It's me, Elizabeth. I'm an artist and an art therapist, and I am a specialist in helping people connect with their loved ones in the spirit world through dreams and signs and signals and in all kinds of ways. But my secret sauce to all of my work is meditation. And this is because meditation helps us dial back our mind. It helps us become grounded and less emotional. And it also helps us unclog our pipes and open to spiritual connection with ourselves and to our loved ones on the other side. So this meditation is one of my favorites for becoming grounded, becoming present, and really connecting with our loved ones in the spirit world. And if at any time the meditation becomes uncomfortable or overwhelming, please pause the video, please come back another time, or simply default to your breath. Let's get started. Taking a moment to stretch up and settle in. Eyes open, closed, or in between, whatever's comfortable for you. Begin going inward by tuning in to any points of physical contact that help you be right where you are in this room, in the present moment. And this might be your bottom on your chair, or your body where you're lying down, your hands where they're resting, your feet where they land. There's no right or wrong. Allowing the points of physical contact to bring you here to this present moment. And very slowly and intentionally, we're going to connect with our breath wherever it's most noticeable for you, and there's no right or wrong. It might be the rising and falling of your chest. It might be a little bit of air under your nose. It might be the expansion and contraction of your belly. Tuning into the breath together, wherever that is for you. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. If thoughts come in, that's perfectly fine and normal. Just gently let them go. Come back to your breath. No right or wrong. Inhale. And exhale. Now I'm inviting you to picture or imagine or even pretend that your loved one is with you in this present moment. You might call up a memory, a moment. Whatever comes to mind first, there's no right or wrong. But the key here is bringing the memory in the moment forward in as much detail as you possibly can. So together, what do you see? What is your loved one wearing? Where are you? Is anyone else in the room with you and your loved one. As much attention and detail as you can to the colors, the visuals, the expressions on your loved one's face. Whatever supports you in bringing them forward in this present moment. And again, if this becomes too difficult at any time, pause the video, save the video, or simply default to your breath. Now I'm inviting you to tune into the sounds of this memory, of this experience of your loved one. Doing this in as much detail as you can. You might be overhearing your own conversation. Maybe it's laughter. Maybe it's beautiful words. Maybe there's music. There is no right or wrong. Bringing forward your loved one into the present moment now with sight and sound. Staying here. Now it's time to tune in to how the experience feels in your body. This might be the most difficult part. You might still be experiencing grief and pain, but in this moment, see if you can tune in to feelings of love and devotion and connectedness. See if you can notice feeling these things as if your loved one is sitting with you right now. Allowing yourself to tune into the frequency of eternal love, of the bonds that cannot be broken, of the love that connects us from this world into the next. Staying here, sight, sound, and love. Again, if thoughts come in, gently let them go and come back to the memory. Come back to the love, come back to the moment. Come back to the experience of you with your loved one in eternal connection, in eternal love. Staying here. How did that feel? I'm hoping that this brief practice to help you connect with your loved one brought you some peace and comfort and feelings of eternal love and connection that you can hold in your heart, that you can bring forward into your day, into your week, and even into your forward life. And for more practices and meditations to connect you to yourself and with your loved one in the spirit world, then follow me and watch my videos. It's a privilege to serve you on this journey. From my heart to yours, a big namaste.